Let's talk about qualities of the American accent. To me, there are two main qualities that really make the American accent what it is. Number one is long vowels. You'll notice when I'm talking right now that whenever I have an important word, I'm stretching it out, right? I'm not punching the consonants. I'm stretching out the vowel. Number two is the flow of language. You'll hear as I'm talking right now that all of the words that I'm saying are touching each other. In other words, I'm not saying one word after another. I'm just using a flow. It's like I'm singing the words and it's just one word. It's not a million. You can practice these two qualities by making up sentences, flowing them together, and choosing the content words that you think are important and stretching them out. Good luck!